Hello. Go ahead.
The Tinker Cliffs are the last of the three, the Triple Crown.
Yeah, Virginia's Triple Crown. We got Dragon's Tooth yesterday.
McAfee's Knob.
That was about midday, I think, maybe morning.
Yeah, 11.
McAfee's Knob, which is how you pronounce it if you're from around here, which means it's the correct way to pronounce it.
Yeah.
We caught the sunset last night.
Yeah. And
thankfully that storm blew away quick enough.
Yeah, and today all we care about is getting to Daleville, Virginia.
Ah, beautiful Daleville. We saw the
Famous
twinkles of the street lights
Yes.
from the view last night.
And
It
that
was
is
calling our
where
name.
we will take a zero. A much needed mental and physical zero day.
Yeah, a lot of soaks.
Yeah.
A lot of foot soaks
Yeah.
in our future.
I don't think today's too crazy.
No, our big climb is happening right now up to these cliffs. And then we go down it and I don't know, it really looks like the trail hangs around the same elevation as the town.
Yeah.
Or city.
It's a nice clear
Yes.
day, so we should get some views from Tinker Cliffs. And just power through. We're hoping to get down to Daleville by 30. We had an early start by our standards.
Yeah.
Started walking at 6:30. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that was nice.
This Super 8 for days, and that tells you what life on the trail is like.